unplug the power, take off the knob, and take the back lid off. And then unplug the wire connector from the start switch. Get a new start switch and plug the wire correspondingly back to the terminals. And then turn the counterclockwise, take off the old start switch, put the new start switch in counterclockwise. Click on the knob there. Put that knob in, plug in the power, set the timer, then press start. If you like this short video, please subscribe and hit like button. Thank you. After run a while, I use the infrared thermometer to check. The temperature is there like 78. Thank you for watching. See you next time.